for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.